Hello everyone, today we're gonna do question 5.2 on chapter 5 skill check. So question 5.2 wants us to write a program that gets words from the user until she enters that's all, and each time display a letter count of the word. Okay, so first we want to import our JVX.swing package, as well as creating a class. And we're gonna still use public static void main here. So first, we will need to declare a variable and store it into the string memory. As we can see, JOptionPaint, the show input dialog. This allows the user to enter a word to see its word count, and print out enter a word to see its word count. So, here we have a loop that if the word that the user inputted is not equal to that's all, it will enter this loop. So firstly, we have an integer num1, which gonna be calculating the length of the word through the method .length in the JVX.swing class, and then it's gonna print out the num1, which is the length of the length of the word. So after it done that, we would like to reset the seed, or it's gonna print out the same value again. So you have word equals JOptionPaint, that show input dialog, enter a word to see its word count. And that's it. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna enter apple. See, it's print out 5, cat, should be 3. Now we're gonna enter that's all, which we need to get all capitalized letters and symbols right. Okay, see, the program ended. Perfect.